What's up guys, welcome to the vlog. Matty here as always. There's only one thing holding me back, which is this little connection, the connects those three holes. Everything else, it's in place. We got ourselves the cold air intake, the spark plugs are back on, everything it's back on. Ray helped me a lot. I put the bumper back on, put the wheels back on, everything it's back together. And now I'm gonna be on the hunt for that part so we can start the car. The plan is to start the car today.
Anyone home?
Oh my gosh, what is that? I don't leave that.
Well, you probably won't let me go home till after dark, and that's a long driveway to walk down. I travel with a lantern.
Oh,
Los Estados Unidos, buenas tardes.
oh my gosh, that's like fluent Spanish right there.
See, we're gonna go hunting for hoopties.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let me show you here. That's the connection though. See here?
Yeah.
That's the T I need.
Oh, I was wondering. I thought, T, what are you talking
Yeah, it's
about?
like it's a 3/8, 1/4.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah.
Nothing a little super glue wouldn't fix.
No, yeah, but I tried it. But Ray said like don't put super glue because that's coolant goes through it.
Oh.
If it was air,
Yeah.
that would be fine. But it's back together.
White men can't jump.
Come on, man.
Oh God, I gotta crawl on my knees. Oh God. Oh, jeez.
See, that's why he drives a Honda.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
You got it. Oh,
Wait, we're
backwards.
I gotta see where we've been.
Don't break my phone mount though. There.
Oh God. Oh Jesus.
Well,
I could get into a Formula One race car easier.
2,000 years later.
Shut up. Oh. I'm gonna tear this up.
oh, there you go.
It's no more, no mas.
You did your hard work already.
God, I left home 2 days ago. Now
Let's go.
let's go.
All right, I found the part. That's a shop you buy. It's called LASFIT shop. We found the part.
Yo,
Look at that guy.
hey, Matty. I'm getting up in the world.
The only thing about this
Yeah.
is the perfect size, but it's a little shorter. But it would do it. Because
How much is a little?
it would do it. Trust me, it would do it.
Oh, don't lose sleep.
You know why? Because this one, the only part you see is this little part here. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, glad they have it. I'm really glad they have
I
it.
am not shocked, but I'm surprised.
Well, it's not the one I want because I want a brass.
You're missing the point. Any port in a storm, Matthew.
That
Matthias.
That makes sense. That makes sense. I'm so glad that this shop had it because otherwise I don't know what I would do. Let's hope that it's gonna fit. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the plastic one, and I ordered the brass one, so I will change when I get that.
The coolant does run through.
It runs through here, see? Through here to the radiator.
Oh yes.
I had one that it was a concentrate one,
Yep.
but I was like, you know what?
In case anyone can see, I'm in the appropriate.
Look at that. I do the entire cam swap and he comes here to plug the battery.
Hey, it's all the work I've done off camera. He couldn't have done it without me.
So we got the fitting right there. I'm just tied up and make sure that all the hoses are good to go. And we're gonna fire her up. We're gonna bring her outside and we're gonna fire her up. As soon as Pete finishes his job.
You can't rush perfection.
I agree with
And
that.
I'm trying not to electrocute this.
Now coolant, right?
You said, oh yeah, pre-mixed.
Which this is
Let me hold it.
concentrate. This is concentrate. Oh, watch this one. It's
Oh wait, I gotta hold both. Okay.
this one is 50 feet.
Let's make it easy. This is like drinking scotch on the rocks, straight.
All right.
This is scotch
with
and
water.
this is
Coke.
scotch and water.
Ooh, Coke. Right? But this one, it's ready to go.
Scotch. Yeah. Okay. Take a look. I'm pouring. It'll take a while. It's good, but it's not over till it's over.
Put her out. This car hasn't been out since I don't even know when. So now it's time.
Here we go. Are you ready? Yeah, let the old man do the hard work. I think that's good. Safety
Well,
first.
safety, never forget safety.
Safety, safety. And I'm gonna go over to the neighbor's house to be really safe.
Keep your foot on the gas so you get oil running through the system. On the throttle with the car off.
Go to the metal all the way?
Yeah, go to like with the car in accessory mode.
Oh.
Because then you're gonna get oil through the system because there's no oil on it.
It'll be pumping.
It's gonna be pumping, and then we should hear the fuel pump too. So.
Good luck.
Man, my heart. Okay. My heart. Oh my gosh.
I'm ready.
So I can hear the fuel pump.
I can't. I can hear your pedal.
Let's give it a try. All right. Oh man!
Oh, this is really exciting, guys. We just installed a special grind cam. It's known as a neighbor hater cam. I wonder why.
Dude, we made it! We made it! She's alive! I mean, whatever happens from here, I'm fine with.
Hey, you know what? A shout out to Dave.
Oh yeah, Dave, Ray, Pete, everybody who helped me with this though, thank you so much. You have no idea how you guys put a smile on my face. Whoa!
I nearly lost it.
So now we're gonna add more coolant just to make sure it's up to temp, and we're gonna see, maybe I'll take for a drive, who knows?
It is leaking.
The water pump's leaking.
The water pump. Oh yes.
It's getting hot though.
But
that's the thermostat.
It's two bolts.
Yeah, maybe if you turn it off,
Yeah.
it'll tie it up.
Yes. Okay, it looks like it's the bottom bolt on the water pump. There's no upsetment here, Matt. Is it a little loose?
Oh, yeah.
Coming out, it better be going in.
It broke.
The bolt?
Uh-huh.
Oh boy.
Crap. Now it's leaking a lot. There's no leaks besides this though.
No.
She runs.
Oh, does she run? Drilling
I
using.
knew that I should not push that hard though. I don't think I can get this.
Not enough to bite on.
Oh, we'll try. I think that's what a Ray would do. He would take this out, put some sealant on it.
Yeah.
It's like I have his voice in my mind.
That's not a bad voice to hear. It's a bolt, a threaded bolt. Channel locks, I don't think will do it. You're actually going to need vice grips. If you can get a bite with that, do you have vice grips? Gather your thoughts. Touch base with Ray. I think it'll have to be drilled out.
I hate myself though, because if I took this out and put some sealant, it would be fixed.
Yeah. Well, obviously Maddie's disappointed. So am I. Long day. The weather's kind of nasty and raw. But Maddie will solve the problem again with a little help from some friends. Do you have a smaller channel lock?
No, I don't. That would be perfect.
Yes, it would be. You're kidding me. Are you turning it?
It's turning, see? It's not too much louder than it was before.
It's the boom, the boom.
Yeah,
Yes.
the chop.
Yep. Thumper.
Believe it or not, it's turning though.
The ride will just be that much more sweeter for you.
If I can get this out, I'll fix this today. I don't care.
I had a feeling you were going to do that. Talk about finessing it. You did good. You really did. Oh, look at it now. Oh, yeah. You're in a home stretch. But then again, that's why I call Matty Murphy. And if you don't know what Murphy's Law is out there in subscriber land, Google Murphy's Law, because, well, Matty is Murphy. But that's why he learns so much too.
Well, cannot give up, right?
No, no.
Ah, it's out.
I don't believe it. You got an angel on your shoulder. Okay, we got to do a close-up here. I'm so amazed he did that. I really am. It was hardly...
Patient though.
It was like 1.5 threads to grab, and he did it.
You're going to lose some fluid. You're not going to lose all of it.
Wow.
But you're going to lose some, but you're going to need to open that up.
I did. I did already. Okay. And the worst thing happened.
The bottom bolt snapped, Ray.
In the water pump?
Yeah.
I took out.
Well, it's the water, the bolt that goes through the water neck to the water pump.
Right. No, the one that actually holds the thermostat housing on, or the one that
Yeah.
holds the water pump to the block?
No. The one that holds the thermostat.
Now, does he have the thermostat housing all the way off?
Yep.
Is there enough bolt there to grab with a pair of channel locks and back it out?
He did it. He should not have been able to do it. I said we need vice grips. He takes out channel locks that are about 2 feet long, and somehow he backed it out. Yeah.
All right. So as long as those threads aren't damaged, he just needs another bolt.
That's why he's calling 1-800-Colleen Parts.
Well. She's back in the garage. Just a little thing that I need to fix it before, say that it's complete. Some harness here they are not attached because they are not working. But okay, I'm not worried about that. But here's the problem though. I don't know how much we show it, so might as well just show this. Thermostat housing was leaking. So, and the bolt broke. So I need a new bolt. And then we're gonna get she back on road. Then I'm gonna put the hood on and it should be it. The car's ready though. Works, she runs, and now it's just time to take her to the dyno. And should be it. I'm very excited. You guys saw, I really appreciate you guys' support throughout this entire process, and I hope this is just the beginning of a new thing with the Corvette. Sounds so good. I hope you guys like it. Even with that little problem though, I'm not worried about it. So we're gonna get that fixed for sure, and I'll see you guys next upload. All right, I hope you guys enjoy. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.